Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hello, friends. We are happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very common situation.
Yes, today we will learn English at a coffee shop.
This is very useful in daily life.
Yes, many people go to coffee shops every day.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
All right, Lucy, are you ready?
Yes, let's get some coffee.
Let's go. Part 1. Arriving at the coffee shop. Hi, Lucy.
Hi, David.
Are you at the coffee shop?
Yes, I am at the coffee shop.
Great. I am here too.
Nice. Let's sit together.
Good idea.
David, what do you want?
I want coffee.
Me too.
Do you want hot coffee or iced coffee?
I want hot coffee.
Good choice. Practice.
Repeat after us.
I am at the coffee shop.
I want coffee.
Hot coffee.
Iced coffee.
Very good. Part 2. Ordering.
Let's order.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
I would like a coffee, please.
And I would like a latte.
What size?
Small, please.
Medium for me.
Anything else?
Yes, I want a sandwich.
Good idea. I want a sandwich too. Practice.
Repeat after us.
I would like a coffee.
I would like a latte.
What size?
Small, please.
Medium, please.
Excellent.
Part 3. Talking while waiting. Lucy, do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every week.
Nice.
What about you?
I come here sometimes.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it is very nice.
Yes, it is quiet and comfortable.
Perfect for talking.
Yes, and for learning English.
Practice. Repeat after us. I come here every week.
I come here every week.
I come here sometimes.
I come here sometimes.
It is very nice.
It is very nice.
It is comfortable.
It is comfortable.
Very good. Part 4. Receiving the order.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
Here is your sandwich.
Great.
Let's eat.
This looks good.
Yes, it smells good too.
Very delicious.
Yes, very delicious.
I like it.
Me too.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
Here is your sandwich.
It looks good.
It looks good.
It smells good.
It smells good.
Excellent. Part 5. Paying. Lucy, I am ready to pay.
Me too.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can I have the bill, please?
Of course.
How much is it?
It is $10.
Okay,
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Great.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Can I have the bill?
How much is it?
I will pay by card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Part 6. Full conversation. Let's do a full conversation.
Yes. Listen and repeat.
Hi, I am at the coffee shop.
Hi, me too.
What do you want?
I want coffee.
Hot or iced?
Hot coffee.
I would like a latte.
What size?
Small, please.
I come here every week.
Nice.
Can I have the bill?
How much is it?
$10.
I will pay by card.
Great.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Part 7. Choosing a seat. Lucy, where should we sit?
Let's sit by the window.
Good idea. I like the view.
Me too. It's nice to watch people outside.
Yes. Do you prefer inside or outside?
I like inside when it's cold.
And outside when it's warm.
Exactly. What about you?
Same here. Let's sit inside today.
Okay, this table is free.
Perfect. Let's sit down. Practice. Repeat after us.
Where should we sit?
I like the view.
Do you prefer inside or outside?
This table is free.
Very good. Part 8. Asking for additional items.
Lucy, do you need anything else?
I think I need a napkin.
Good idea. Me too.
Excuse me, could we have some napkins?
And some sugar, please.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Do you want milk?
Yes, please. Can I have some milk?
Of course. Here's the milk.
Thanks. Do you want any sugar?
No thanks. I like my coffee black.
Okay, black coffee is good too.
Practice. Repeat after us. Could we have some napkins?
Do you want milk?
I like my coffee black.
Black coffee is good too.
Excellent. Part 9. Full conversation with new vocabulary. Let's practice everything we learned today.
Yes, listen and repeat.
Hi, I am at the coffee shop.
Hi, me too. Where should we sit?
Let's sit by the window. I like the view.
Me too. Do you prefer inside or outside?
I like inside when it's cold.
I want coffee. Hot coffee, please.
I would like a latte. What size?
Medium, please. And I want a sandwich.
Good idea. I come here every week.
Nice. Could we have some napkins?
Sure. Do you want milk?
Yes, please. Can I have some milk?
Of course. Here's the milk. I like my coffee black.
Okay, black coffee is good too. Can I have the bill?
How much is it?
$10. I will pay by card.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Final practice. Let's repeat important sentences. Listen and repeat.
I want coffee.
I would like a latte.
What size?
Small, please.
Can I have the bill?
I will pay by card.
Where should we sit?
I like the view.
Do you prefer inside or outside?
This table is free.
Could we have some napkins?
Do you want milk?
I like my coffee black.
Black coffee is good too.
Amazing.
Outro. Great job today.
You learned how to speak English at a coffee shop.
You can order coffee with confidence.
Yes, practice every day.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what do you drink at a coffee shop?
Coffee, tea, or juice?
Write your answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.